If you want to remove SIM pin from your SIM card in your HUAWEI Nova 8i, first step, go into settings and find security option, this one. Go into and then click more settings. And here, first option in the list will be setup SIM lock, so click it. Then you choose your SIM card for unlocking. Got one SIM card only, so click for remove pin from SIM card, need click here to switcher, enter your pin from SIM card, click OK, and that's it. Now we remove our SIM pin from SIM card. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.